Hello, buddies. I know you might have been hearing about mixed spice and you have been wondering how is it, what is it, and what is used for. So, today I'll be showing you how to make your own mixed spice in three different ways for your cooking and baking. Yes, there are a lot of mixed spice out there, but this one specifically, you can use it for your cakes, for your cooking, for your meat pie, egg roll, anything at all you want to bake. So for this first one, you need 1 tablespoon ground allspice, 1 tablespoon cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon nutmeg powder, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 1 teaspoon ground cloves, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon maize powder. This maize powder is gotten from nutmeg. It's found on the body of nutmeg. Okay, so you can go ahead and sift it or grind it to granules. After sifting, then the remaining particles, you can grind them again and keep on sieving them. Okay, or you can just mix all of them together just like that. Okay, that's the first one. For the second one, you need 1 tablespoon nutmeg powder, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, and 1 teaspoon of cloves. Okay, then you can go ahead and mix them together. Like I said, you can sieve them, or you can just put them in your blender and reblend them again. Okay, now for the third one, you need half tablespoon of cinnamon powder, half tablespoon of nutmeg powder, and 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. So once you are done making them, just make sure you put them in airtight containers. Okay, cover them properly. So in case you're making this in a larger proportion, just note that the quantity of cinnamon and nutmeg must be equal, then less of other ingredients or other spices that I just mentioned. I hope this goes well with you. See you in my next one.